it's especially interesting for me because I started talking about offer and order management. I mean, we can call it many things. We can call it, I remember when I started talking about it in 2014, I was calling it orchestration. And to me, and I think sometimes we make it sound much more complicated than it really is the PNR structure. So everything in the airline and travel industry has been built around the PNR. And when I mean being built, so all the systems like back office, mid office, accounting systems, airline internal systems, e-commerce, everything has been designed around this PNR. And of course, the PNR is old. It dates back to the 60s. You communicate, you're using Edifact, and there's only that much that you can put into a PNR. And so like I said, when I started talking about this, I always explain it that you need to move away from the PNR centricity. And I really don't, like I said, I don't care what we call it, but of course, when you move into order management, which is, by the way, nothing that is specific to the airline industry. I mean, it's the retailing industry. You can, talk about these concepts if we're talking Tesco or Target or whatever. You need to work with orders, and you can have 20 PNRs in an order, but in the order you have that glue that puts together what, all the stuff that you have sold to your customers. And I hope that this is a simplistic way of explaining it.